Boris House by Dodds Estudio in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Boris is the transformation of a classic residential typology in Buenos Aires. This architecture, prevalent in the city, was characterized by solving a set of housing units that share the same land and access. Each one gained natural ventilation and lighting through internal patios while fragmented spaces defined its rooms. The design proposal aims to rethink these characteristics as an opportunity to create a central space that would improve the versatility of the environment. To achieve this idea, the first step was to remove the walls separating the social areas from the central patio, seamlessly integrating the non-private spaces into a single environment with expansive views. This required new structural elements to redistribute the loads previously borne by these walls. The utility areas were discreetly positioned behind a custom-designed curved wooden structure. Simple yet elaborately detailed, this piece serves to delineate the service areas from the social space, adding warmth and character. The bathroom and laundry are hidden in a blind section, while the more functional kitchen area is located in a lighter lower part. To provide the entire residence with more light and ventilation, the existing roof of the patio was replaced with a new one made of aluminum and frosted glass, which opens upwards with a tensioning system. It also has side windows which allow ventilation even on rainy days. The original wooden openings were restored, and the brick vaulted ceilings, previously hidden above the ones assembled, were highlighted. The use of light and luminous colors was reserved to emphasize specific elements that refer to its history. The palette of materials and colors was carefully designed to enhance the strength of this place. A light granite flooring was chosen to run through the entire social area, helping to integrate the space. Meanwhile, the warm wood tones present in the kitchen fixture and the floors of the private spaces enhance the ambience with their soft hues. In a compact scheme, Boris residence creates a distinct space for living, working, and sharing domestic life.